Let's explore how to convert a pushdown automaton, or PDA, into a context-free grammar, or CFG. This conversion highlights a fundamental equivalence in the theory of computation. In this conversion, we start with a pushdown automaton, often abbreviated as PDA, and transform it into a context-free grammar, known as CFG. The arrow visually represents this transformation, showing the direct conversion from a PDA to a CFG. Before we begin the conversion, there are a couple of things we need to keep in mind. First, the PDA must be in normal form. Second, we make a key assumption that the PDA uses empty stack acceptance for defining final states. The grammar variables are represented as bracket q subscript I, comma a comma, q subscript j bracket. This represents a path from state q subscript I to state q subscript j, with a net stack effect of a. For a direct transition from state q subscript I with stack symbol a on input a to state q subscript j, where the stack is popped, the production rule is defined as bracket q subscript I, comma a comma, q subscript j bracket produces a. This applies if the transition function delta of q subscript ia contains q subscript j epsilon. If the transition from state q subscript I with stack symbol a on input a results in pushing symbols b subscript 1 and b subscript 2 onto the stack and moving to state q subscript k, the production rule is bracket q subscript I, comma a comma, q subscript j bracket produces a bracket q subscript k, comma b subscript 1, comma q subscript l bracket q subscript l, comma b subscript 2, comma q subscript j bracket. This is applicable if the transition function delta of q subscript I, aa, contains q subscript k, b subscript 1, b subscript 2. Step 1 involves creating variables in the form of bracket q subscript I, comma, a comma, q subscript j bracket, for all possible combinations of states and stack symbols. The start symbol s is defined as bracket q subscript 0, comma, z subscript 0, comma, q subscript f bracket, where q subscript f is a final state. The resulting context-free grammar accepts the same language as the original pushdown automaton. Thus, we have established the theoretical equivalence that the language of the pushdown automaton is equivalent to the language of the context-free grammar, denoted as L of PDA equals L of CFG. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.